Hey, ngivumeleni ngenze i-review ye-Real Housewife of Durban.
Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalula lwezibhekane zonithambela le kude phezulu. Do join.
Ngike ngenza i-episode kwi-podcast noMini Ntuli waseGagasini FM. uMini Ntuli, we know her to be this social butterfly, is a radio personality, she's been to a number of reality shows, Idols SA, she's been to some cook-off show, I can't remember, and she's just a media personality useGagasini. Okokuqala, uMini Ntuli mina ngiyamazi in person. Ngithi what is the right English? In person, personal. Okay, to cut the long story short, uMini Ntuli mina ngimazi ewumuntu olungile nje. Ewumuntu onobuntu. Ake sikubeka kanjalo. Mina uMini Ntuli ngimazi ewumuntu onobuntu. Even though we are not that close to an extent ukuthi I can be able to analyze ukuthi uMini Ntuli ukhohlakele, uMini Ntuli is a bully, uMini Ntuli is this and that. Ngimazi nje ewumuntu onobuntu from the show ayihostayo eGagasini FM no-Alex, from yena outside the show, and just from to the fact ukuthi ngaze ngagcina ngim-invite ukuthi akeze kwi-show. It's because ngangibona lokho, because abaningi benu will know ukuthi mina eyami i-niche is education, we inspire, siyakhuthaza abantu, and I bring those kinds of people who brings us that kind of energy. But funny enough, ngiletha uMini Ntuli kwi-podcast yami a couple of weeks ago, on Mother's Day, on that vibe nje, Mother's Day, Mother's Week or whatnot. Ngiletha uMini Ntuli and we are hosted by the Unblemished Beauty, which was opening a school in Morningside. And to my surprise, uma sifaka ama-clips kaMini Ntuli ku-TikTok, hayi man, hawu wena ukhohlakele, hawu wena uyibhuli, hawu wena wafonela uPenny Ntuli, wafona ka-BMW, wafonela ubuze ufuna ukwazi ukuthi uPenny Ntuli imoto uyithengile or nimsponsorishile. Hayibo, I was shocked ukuthi hayibo, kwenzakalani vele. And ngaloso sikhathi kwenzeka yonke leyo into leyo, it so happen ukuthi mina i-Real Housewives of Durban bengibuke i-episode eyi-1 kuphela yabo. Nangaphandle kwaloko, I am not a fan yama-reality TV shows ase-South Africa, because I know ukuthi half the time they sell us lies. We just buy into their lies and scripted content that displays people as horrible and toxic and mean and whatnot and what. So, eka Siyacela noThando, I watched it I think season 6, because I wanted to invite uThando to the show, because I was just shocked ukuthi kunomuntu esifazane omncane kanje onengqondo evaleleke ekopini like that. So kahle in general ama-reality TV shows angiwabuki, angiwathandi, because I think ukuthi basidayisela amanga half the time. But le ngididwa ukuthi uMini Ntuli ngimletha kwi-show, and mangifaka ama-clips wakhe ku-TikTok, yo, I ended up watching i-Real Housewives of Durban on Showmax ukuthi kwenzakalani. Okokuqala guys, balance me here. What is a real housewife? Uma ngabe uzongitshela nge-Real Housewife, I think leya show is a replica of a Real Housewives of Atlanta that I once watched on an overseas channel. I can't remember what was the name of the channel. And la South Africa iyabahlula, because abantu, they want to paint people as toxic as possible as they can. Because I don't know nathi ukuthi sinjani as South Africans, ngazo siya-enjoy into e-toxic, siya-enjoya into engajabulisi, siya-enjoya into enokukhohlakala. Why? Guys, do you think ukuthi uMini Ntuli vele ukhohlakele vele sidalo, noma it's the show eyenza ukuthi abe kanjeyaya? I'm so confused. Do you think ukuthi uNonku Williams International toxic vele? Or and I'm noticing ukuthi on this season uzama kakhulu ukuveza into yenkolo, uyakholwa uvela uveza into yokukholwa kangaka ngoba ufuna ukuqala ibandla lakhe noma kwenzakalani. And there's even a point whereby ladies ladies confirmed ukuthi kuthiwa u-ordained. Kanti yini ukukholwa guys? Mhlambe yimi engisemuva nezinto. uNonku uyazidakelwa noma mhlawumbe u-ordained-ke emaRomeni. Phela emaRomeni utshwala banandaba nalo. emaRomeni please correct me if I'm wrong. I don't want to say izinto ezi-wrong ngamabandla athile, but I know ukuthi there are certain churches, there are certain doctrine churches in South Africa whereby ungazikhonzela khona nje ube yiyona yonke into oyifuna ukuyenza. Ungaziqomela, ungaziphuzela utshwala, ungazilalela, ungenza yonke into. And most of those churches are doctrine churches. Lawa very strict, anemtheshwana yawo nje ngendlela yabo. Yo, ithi allegedly uma ngabe ukhonza emaRomeni, you are allowed ukuphuza utshwala. Allegedly, uma ukhonza eShesh, you are allowed ukuphuza utshwala. I don't know which other church. Maybe uNkulunkulu Williams ukhonza kulawo mabandla, because lapha kwi-Real Housewife of Durban siyambona uyaziphuzela amawayini yakhe, uyazidakelwa, and futhi siyamazi uNkulunkulu ukuthi uyayiqomela. Angithi futhi ebeqomela this guy abambiza ngoRalph Diamond, angimazi ukuthi useqome bani manje. And thina bazalwane, we understand into ye-religion differently, ukuthi uma ngabe umzalwane kufanele uziqoqe, kufanele u-abstain, kufanele ungabuthinti utshwala. What is going on? And then on the other side, guys, I love JoJo. I just love JoJo. Why do they make JoJo cry so much on the show? Why do they make uJoJo cry so much on the show? And then Jiggy Jiggy on the same show, babuyisa uLondi London. uLondi London is she broke ukuthi she's coming back to the show, and ungena ngenxeba njengempukane, uqala ngene ngazi ukuthi ama-ladies membuza, are you coming back to join the group? And uyaqala uyayiphika qale, no, if I want to I will, but then the rest of the episode she's there. And then Jiggy Jiggy ungena with this guy engam-understand ukuthi ubani, ungena esethi is throwing a party, so ama-ladies must wear lingerie, yeah? Must wear ama-bikini. It's a pool party, but ama-ladies fanele agqoke i-swimwear that is high end, what okusho ukuthi kufanele bafake ama-designer swimwears. Ubani ophilile kahle la ekhanda ofuna ukuyothenga a designer swimwear just to attend i-party once off? I do get to Menina, Mawele, no, and the other ladies when they decided no, we are not gonna go for this thing. Even Jojo no mali, guys. Jojo une mali. Her husband is filthy rich. I do get the other ladies mangabe decide no, we are not going to wear a designer swimwear just to attend a party ga Londi London just for one. Why? And then uJojo decides ukuthi avele azigqokele ubucwebe obubizayo, because yena she says ukuthi uyazikhethela ukuthi imali yakho uyispenda kanjani, which is quite understandable. Nami kuba benginemali elilizelayo, bengizoyispenda ngendlela engiyifuna ukuspenda ngayo, hhayi ngendlela omunye umuntu afuna ukuthi ngiyispende ngayo. And uLondi London uyangidida. Yazi uLondi London ufana negundwane. Yabona igundwane lifike lilume bese liphephethe. uLondi London is an instigator. Uqala uthuthuva bese bengabe selimxaka uthuthuva, akhale azenze ngazi ukuthi is the victim in everything. How do you explain into yokuthi u-invite abantu ubusubaforsa ukuthi abagqoke ama-designer labels kwi-pool party yakho, and then if ama-twins esefika egqoke i-brand yawo, wena you are exclusively saying, hayi wena Jojo I understand, hayi wena Zibanibani I understand, hayi wena Zibanibani I understand, but ama-twins agqoke i-brand yawo, okusho ukuthi wena kahle kahle ubukelana phansi indirectly. I-brand yama-twins awuyiboni ukuthi iyini. You don't even understand ukuthi these people are pushing their brand, but you will classify them. uLondi is a classist. Angifuni nokuyimenshina-ke ukuthi uMinintuli is a what in that show, because i-show is painting uMinintuli to be this horrible bully person, or Phuma Silwe, or uNdlavini, or hey bona guys, why is the show so toxic? Ngapha on the other side there is uNonkulu Williams who wants to be holier than thou. Kodwa into ephuma la emlomeni is not holy. Lawa ma love letters abawathole lapha bese Mauritius asho ukuthini ngempela, because that is coming from somebody who's very rude, who's very sarcastic, and who's very, I don't know what's another word. Kodwa nje, guys, I don't want, I'm not doing entertainment anymore. Kodwa nje, kuya ngethusa ukuthi umuntu aziphente as umamfundisi thizeni. Kodwa into ephuma ngomlomo wakhe iya kwabanye abantu ayikhombisi ukuba umamfundisi. Nezenzo zakhe azikhombisi ukuba umamfundisi. Bese kuzoba khona umamfundisi for real, abhizi unonku amane ethi wena ngiyakwazi uyaphuza why are you going to make omunye umntwana on the show ukuthi angazi noma ufuna admit or accept or aziveze ukuthi ngempela uyaphuza? Naye nje uNonkulu Williams uyaphuza kodwa uclaim ukuthi usindisiwe, untontoni, ordained nani. So mangabe ukuthi lo as umamfundisi uyaphuza as umamfundisi, then kusho ukuthi ayikho into wrong mos ngokuphuza ngoba siyibona ngaye yena mamfundisi omkhulu or yena shumayelo omkhulu or yena kholo elikhulu kwi-show ukuthi kuhle ukuthi kahle it's allowed, it's normal ukuthi ungaba umzalwane kodwa futhi uphinde uziphuzele utshwala wakho uzenze zonke izinto zasemhlabeni. So manje why afuna to constantly prove to the rest of the world ukuthi lo uyaphuza? Balance me, the show le kahle, what is it all about? And then there is Sorisha. Guys, Usorisha is demure. Usorisha is classy. Usorisha is rich. Usorisha is just the queen. It's just everything. And I wouldn't be surprised if Sorisha is funding this show. God, my question is, what does she stand to gain? What does she stand to gain on that show? Because Usorisha has got a filthy rich husband. Naye, he's filthy rich unezinto zakhe. She's filthy rich unezinto zakhe azenzayo. She's been in the entertainment industry for a decade. Usorisha is beautiful. Usorisha is living a soft life. Usorisha, I can't just imagine Usorisha, how does she survive amongst those toxic ladies and the toxic show that the directors are creating and the producers are creating. One thing that I fail to understand, what is the point or the purpose that Sorisha is trying to achieve for being in that show? Because unayo yonke imali emhlabeni. Mhlawumbe bengathi mhlawumbe she is trying to push a brand. Yabona, i-Real Housewives of Durban is good for somebody who's pushing a brand, somebody who wants to make a name, for somebody who's just want to be out there. But yena ke Usorisha, what is in it for her ukuthi abe kuleya show? Make me understand. Make me understand what is in it for Sorisha for her to be in that show. Apart from everything, mese kukhulunywa iqiniso. The real housewife in the Real Housewives of Durban is Jojo. Everybody else lapaya is not a real housewife, unless I've got a different understanding of a real housewife. Because according to Google, a real housewife, yilo muntu wesifazane who is married to a filthy rich husband, who earns her income from investment, who earns her income from investor, from buying shares, from getting money from her husband, and she lives a lavish lifestyle and just goes around shopping anywhere in the world without worrying about who's fitting the bill, because the husband is filthy rich anyway, and naye she's making her money while azlalele nje. Then what is the real housewife? I feel like our producers, they've missed the point and they are misleading us. And worst part is that the show is toxic. It's just toxic. That's my opinion. What is your opinion? Share with me down below the comment section.